express yourself. You can look at your picture and interpret it the way that you want to.
Look at you. That's beautiful.
Looks like a riverbank. The beach.
Oh, I love drawing and painting and just showing people what God's creation is. It's so beautiful.
She's doing great. We're making some shadow colors, so I like that. I think that's pretty close. And see, my brush strokes are all kind of, sometimes I'll even roll the brush, just the variation of marks, which you've done here, and I like it.
So that's the best part, the fun.
The lemon stuff on the foot. So yeah, I'm gonna look at that. I really follow
Well, thank you.
what you've been doing.
Had you painted before?
Bring that out.
No.
I had it a little more.
Would you paint again?
Yes!
No, I don't see no masterpiece in that yet. It's getting there.
So you're having fun?
Yeah, I'm having fun.
Look where she is. She's sitting next to me.
That's it.
I love this class. I didn't think I could paint, but I can.
When is the next one? When is the next one?
I thought it went great. It was really cool seeing a lot of people, like first-time painters, really make a breakthrough with their work. It was a lot of fun. Yeah, I definitely want to do it again.
So it's been so much fun. They've had a wonderful time painting and learning and socializing. It's just been a great event. We're so thankful, and Joey is a rock star artist, that's for sure.